Good morning and happy Tuesday. If it's your first day back after a long weekend, you do have a nice sunrise to look at this morning. There are a few more clouds in the sky this morning than yesterday morning. We started off very clear yesterday, but the clouds make for an interesting sunrise. The sun's starting to come up over the horizon in Great Falls. And in Helena, some interesting clouds this morning. A nice sunrise to look at, so hopefully that helps to start your week out, your short work week, on a nice pleasant note. Now we are starting off a bit cooler than yesterday. If you were awake at this time yesterday, you might remember it felt a little bit warmer out there. Today we're starting off slightly cooler, 6 degrees colder in Great Falls than yesterday morning. Same temperature in the capital city and a few areas in southwestern Montana. Haven't really changed much, but a lot of areas are starting off a little bit cooler this morning. We are in the 30s and 40s starting off today. 40 degrees in Great Falls, 47 degrees in Helena, 39 in Lewistown this morning, and 28 in West Yellowstone. And West Yellowstone was officially 27 for the low. It was the lowest temperature in the state yesterday morning. We aren't going to be warming up too much as warm as we were yesterday morning. Now, not a whole lot is going on with our weather here in Montana, but there are some pretty strong thunderstorms starting out this morning. There's a very large line of thunderstorms through the middle of the country, and also Tropical Storm Gordon moving through the Gulf of Mexico. So while our weather is quiet, lots of other Americans are starting off with a very weathery kind of morning on this Tuesday. We do have a bit of rain moving along the High Line. This has been developing here in the last couple of minutes, really, just east of Havre, west of Glasgow, really starting to move towards Malta right now, but doesn't look like a whole lot of rain there, but just something to keep in mind if you are up in that area. We're looking at fairly clear weather for today and tomorrow. The big change will start to come Thursday afternoon. You can see it start to move through there Thursday afternoon around 2-3 o'clock. Those thunderstorms will start to pop up, and then moving east for Friday. So this is overnight Friday. Overnight Thursday into Friday. Those storms are going to be sticking around, but mainly in the eastern portion of the state. Great Falls could see some of that moisture on Friday. However, the capital city should stay dry for Friday, and then we are looking at a dry weekend. So as I mentioned, today the highs won't be quite as warm as yesterday. We're going to be reaching up into the mid to upper 60s, some areas in the 70s, 68 degrees today for the high in Great Falls, 72 degrees for the high in Helena. So a little bit cooler than yesterday, but tomorrow we'll be warming up again into the 70s and 80s. So not quite just the end of the warm temperatures. Today's just a little bit chillier as that cold front moved through yesterday. Thursday is when those thunderstorms are going to be moving through southwestern Montana and central Montana. Friday hanging on in the eastern part of the state, and we will get some clearer weather for the weekend. So just a little bit of rain, the thunderstorms coming through Thursday and Friday, and then we're looking at clearer weather. It's really a nice first week of September, especially considering not really huge wildfires, not huge weather. It's not that bad.
Actually, it's excellent weather.
Yeah.
Katie, thanks.